komo cibi ko ciwo
kawai ta wadda da bali ta hotuna
ka gani sai ya tafi wannan yunwa ce ba
ya kamata a cece shi
ya ba magana abinci sai drip sai drip
kana ganin sai
babu yati babu da kilini ne babu kilini
shin ai kamata a samu
kilini
wata ne da gidan wata na
ke to yanzu kana da baka da kyar da hoto na go
The result he shows you will give you the time to cover them.
ita ce a ganin kan batun yabo
were rescued as a result of the pressure mounted on the bandits by the state government and other security agencies, whereby we stormed Sibiri Forest, where kidnapped victims were kept for various days, some ranging to 52 days, 48 days, 54 days, and 4 months. They have now been rescued unconditionally. We are now going to hand them over to the state for medical checkup, debriefing, and later be reunited with their families. This is a great achievement, and it goes to all the people, good people of Zamfara State, who has keyed into the administration of this Dr.
Grateful to all those repentant bandits who have led the way to this success. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala reward you abundantly. The police commissioner, I'm assuring you that these rescued victims will be treated. Call on all and sundry to continue to pray to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to restore peace in Zamfara state and in all other states in Nigeria. I assure you that the government will continue to support the fight. The government will support all the security agencies and all the meaningful people that showed interest to contribute in one way or the other to ensure peace, existence of peace.
Thanks for checking out Symphony on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.